Hello everybody, I'm going to start a vlog.
Hey Google, stop! Hey Google, stop! Copyrighted music.
Welcome to my channel everybody. I'm going to vlog. I don't know what I'm going to vlog today. But Hannah's screaming. Right, let me actually explain what we're doing. I'm at Hannah's and Penny's going to come to Hannah's and so's Laura.
No, they're not.
Well, they're going to meet us in Rochester, but they're coming here and we're filming with Wisdom Hospice.
The Wisdom Hospice, yeah, I'm going to change mine.
And we're going to do some content for them and style some fits and all that. But that's not till later. At the moment, it is like 9:30 and we are going to just film some content. Going to go out and get some pictures. I've got some ideas of things I want to film. Not quite sure how realistic they are to film. But alas, come along in this fun secondhand September day. It's the 3rd of September.
Yes.
And we're going to celebrate in style. I don't know what this vlog is going to be. Bye-bye. Me and Hannah are just driving to our first location. I've got a reel I want to film that's going to be quite hard, I reckon. But it's going to be great. Bernardo's reel has just gone up, so that's exciting. Where are we going first? The distillery in...
Yeah, if that's what you want to shoot first. Yeah, the distillery in Dockside in Chatham.
Dockside!
You did that last time.
Let's go. So we're just shooting in this location. It's a brewery. We've done Hannah's looks and we've just filmed a reel. Basically, I'll show you. So essentially, I'm wearing the same outfit, but each pillar I change coat. Hannah is just editing it. This is the pile of coats. I had to bring my trolley to bring the coats in, like over here. But hopefully it'll be good.
This is the
We are in the next location. We're in the Strand. And it's called tennis courts. We're gonna get a picture of my tennis dress that I got in Rome. I've also got another look that we want to shoot in the pool, bits that dried up, but it's been raining a lot, so whether it is still dried up, whole other thing. Also, it's quite a pain to get over there, so you know, if we don't get the pool pic, we don't get the pool pic.
Pool's not going anywhere at the end.
Pool's not going anywhere. And yeah, right, I need to go get changed. Let's do that. We're getting changed in the car park. Classy. Oh yeah, my next look, my tennis dress. Got Dad's tennis racket, which apparently is his favourite one, so I've got to be very careful. I done my hair in little pigtails. I feel like I look like Boo from Monsters Inc. or I'm in a Halloween costume of a tennis person. Let's go. We're ready. We're back. We've just had some lunch. Just having a little chill before we go and meet Penny and Laura. So we have made it into Rochester. We've got Penny here. Penny's in the vlog. We're now in Oxfam. Hannah's just donated some mirrors. But yeah, we're just having a mooch. It's a very vibesy Oxfam, but a lot of Zara as to be expected. I've just ordered some, I think it's honey and toffee tiffin or something. It's very good. And I got a milkshake coming. Vlog footage. Oh, my camera's gone all funny. Just getting some content with Penny. She looks great. We've just got Hannah's pics. We are in different outfits. I put on the green dress. We're gonna get some more content. Laura's met us now as well. Sorry, the hand dryer's on. Yeah, Laura's met us. Laura and Hannah have got matching dresses. They're gonna get some content in their matching dresses. I put on this green dress. I just think I might just stay in for the rest of the day now, but I want to get a picture in it. But I'll probably do the work for Wisdom Hospice in this. But yeah, let's go.
Oh yes.
Laura, say hello to the vlog.
Hello to the vlog.
In their matching dresses. In their matching dresses.
We really do. This wasn't planned.
It wasn't planned at all.
So upset.
Who had it first? We're gonna go get some pics. And yeah, then we're going here for our content. We're in the sweet shop. So Hannah left her phone in my car. So I have had a panic run back to the car while Laura and Hannah film their reel together because we walked past Wisdom Hospice and it's closed, so we're ready to go in there kind of as soon as I finish filming the reel. So I said I'd run back while Penny films their reel and pick up Hannah's phone. It obviously fallen down into the footwell, so that's why she didn't see it. I'm so sweaty. If you haven't been to Rochester, it is very cute. There's lots of charity shops and there's a castle and it's just so pretty. There is also lots of history, so if you're a history person, you will also enjoy this. Lots of antique shops, lots of independent shops. It's very nice. Got it! I'm just waiting to go into Wisdom Hospice. I'm very excited. Penny, are you excited?
So excited.
We're going to style up some outfits, I think, get some content. I'm excited, but my hair is not giving, so. We are just in Wisdom Hospice. We've got the whole shop to ourselves. We've got some wonderful hosts giving us food and drinks and stuff. We're going to shop, start some bits up for them. This is the life, guys. We've got a charity shop all to ourselves. It's a very nice charity shop as well. It's got like a vintage section. It's got like nice brick. Like, it's a really, really good shop. And I love the windows. They had a Eurovision window during Hannah's thrift trip and it was amazing. All is really nice.
You don't have to fight anyone to get anything. You know,
No.
sometimes you're in a charity shop and you both got your arm. Well, just you.
Yeah.
Just you.
Yeah, right. This is like the vintage section. We've got some jewellery. Oh, maybe I should get some jewellery. Some really nice pieces. And there's like the men's section. Like handmade bits. Brick. Oh, some brass candlesticks. I love some brass. Little grazing platter. Very excited. Oh, pretzels. Having a little tour out the back and up this little old building. It's at the back of the shop. So cute. So cute. This back little house bit. This is like the back rooms. CDs. Oh my gosh, that fashion book looks amazing. Is it fashion?
Oh, it does. What is it?
Yeah, I think it is. Is it? Yeah, the fashion book. That looks amazing.
Oh, there's me trying to read it.
Oh, I like that tabletop.
That is cute.
I want a house. Yeah, I should. Wow, old fireplace and all the gorgeous panelling.
Because I think she should be new. Isn't it? So our plan is that she's going to be like the boutique room.
Outside.
Yeah, so we're going to have like a lot of the high end.
Yeah, it's
It's stunning.
Yeah, that's it. Yes.
Wow.
Sorry, just my
Look at these with the beading. The boots.
Oh,
The
they're
boots.
so nice.
Just like continues. This is the eBay room. We are going back down to the shop to pick up some bits. I'm going to get some content. I'm going to put my camera away so I can focus getting down the stairs.
How do you say what?
Very cute. Penny, show us all the good
These are
things.
nice.
Very nice. Quite similar to what you're wearing right now.
Yeah, quite stretchy as well, nice and comfy. Oh, Kappa.
Ooh, fancy.
Go off.
Okay, so we've all chosen some pieces. We're gonna come upstairs into like their back house. Show you the vlog. So cute. So just gonna shoot some looks before the light goes. I picked up this dress, which is now fallen off its hanger, and a sparkly number, which I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but that'd be cool. We are just in the room, shooting some pics. It's a vibe. Yes, Penny's a cowboy.
It's so cool.
We are finished at Wisdom Hospice. That was so nice. The ladies there were absolutely lovely. Couldn't do enough for us. We had food out, like you can try on whatever, shoot wherever, like really nice. So that was absolutely lovely. I think we're just gonna walk and get some dinner now. Annoyingly, my car park now is like, oh, you can, it's put it till tomorrow, so it's like 13 quid, which is heartbreaking. But anyway, let's go get some food. We have come to Dirty Smash Burger. Is that what it's called?
Chuck and Blade.
It's called Chuck and Blade. They have a sign on there that says Dirty Smash. I didn't make that up. I'm just gonna get some chicken tenders because my tummy hurts. Hannah, what are you gonna get? What are you gonna get, Hannah?
Hello, I have ordered poutine. It's a Canadian dish. It consists of chips, gravy, and cheese curds.
I would ask Penny what she's having, but she is not there.
Penny's disappeared.
She's gone for a week. What did you get for dinner?
Oh,
For dinner. You can show me your haul as well. That's really nice.
For dinner, I got was it a Hugh Blanc?
Lovely.
Which I think is just a burger. Oh, that's a bit of a slay, not gonna lie. You've slain the house
Do you
now.
also want to show the vlog what you picked up from
I
the
thought you were
shop?
going to say the picture. I was like, take a look at this.
That's so gorgeous. It's all kind of in the vlog.
For a denim waistcoat. I I didn't spot this when we were looking, actually.
Laura had that, that's why. She
did.
tried it on, yeah.
And then I spotted it when we were talking at the end, and I thought I'd get it and maybe chop it off and turn it into a waistcoat. So I think it's a perfect colour for it.
You could also definitely do something with them sleeves and upcycle something with the sleeves as well.
Yeah.
Penny, Hannah's. What's she get? Oh yeah.
I won't get it out because it's a bit of a fad, but I got a beautiful like camel woolen vintage coat.
Gorgeous.
And I'm sliding off this chair.
You are.
Don't mind me. I'm not
What I've got is right here. So my sister's hen do is next year, next March. And I found they have hen party sashes, and there's enough for all of the people attending the hen, which was great. That was £5. Well, I think she did knock some money off. And then I also got this gorgeous bunting, because I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it justice. But it's this gorgeous, like, crocheted bunting, which is handmade and donated. It's also got little pearls on, which is amazing. So I'm really, really excited to put that up. I think I might put it up like on my bed, on the back of my bed. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. As I've changed some food now. The car park, as I said, is charging me 13 quid, which is heartbreaking. But alas, things we do for thrifting. But yeah, the ladies were just lovely. I can't actually express to you how lovely they were. So if you are in the Rochester area, then definitely pop into the Wisdom Hospice shop, because it's a really lovely kind of vintage vibe shop, and I love it. We're gonna exchange some content and then get some food. I got some chicken tenders. Hannah's got some cheesy.
It's gravy and chips and cheese, basically.
Penny's got a burger that's juicing. Hello everybody, I forgot to finish the vlog while I was up. We ate and we went straight back after that, so I had a 50-minute drive home. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you for Wisdom Hospice for having us. Go follow me on Instagram to see all of the content we shot that day, because we've got so much stuff that's going to be coming out all throughout September. And subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.